Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am bringing you another Tunisian crochet stitch tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be relatively easy. It is called the Tunisian double stitch. I worked up a little swatch here. It basically looks like a bunch of double crochets, but it is done in Tunisian format. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump into the tutorial. Alright, to begin, you're going to make your slip knot and you are going to chain in any increment that you'd like. Doesn't have to be any specific number, just chain. I think for my swatch I did like 10. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and they look about even. So now what I'm going to do is cast on, and I'm going to do my returning pass. I won't bore you with those specifics today. If you are unaware on how to do those particular techniques, I do have a tutorial back on my channel that goes over the basics of Tunisian crochet. Alright, and I'll meet you back when I've cast on and done my returning pass. Alright, so I did my first row. And now I am ready to start the pattern. So what I want to do is chain 1. Now this is a little odd for Tunisian crochet to chain 1 at the beginning of the row, but this is a taller stitch, so we're going to want to compensate for that. So now what we want to do is yarn over, and we are going to insert our hook into that second vertical bar of our row. We never work into that first one. Okay, and we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and we're going to do that in each vertical bar along this row. That is yarn over, insert your hook into your next vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay? So it's like you're making a double crochet in regular crochet, but you're not completing them. So I'm going to continue to do this all the way along this row. Alright, and we're working into that last vertical bar of the row. And this has been our first row of our pattern, technically. So now what we're going to do is work our returning pass. So to do that, we are going to yarn over and chain 1 as we normally would. And then we're just going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to repeat this process all the way across our row until there's only one loop left on our hook. Alright guys, so I have one loop left on my hook, so that means I'm ready to move on to my next row. So we're going to do just what we did before, and I am going to chain 1, and I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to work into the second loop, the second vertical bar rather, of this row. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and I'm just going to repeat this all the way across this row. work into that last vertical bar of the row. Alright, and now we are ready to repeat our returning pass. As you can see, this is a nice and simple kind of textured stitch. It's a taller stitch, so it works up a lot faster. I'm going to work my returning pass, and then I'm going to show you guys how to cast off. Okay, so casting off is a breeze. You cast this stitch off like you would any other normal Tunisian crochet stitch. You insert your hook through your second vertical bar of the row, and you yarn over and you pull up a loop to slip stitch. And that is all we're doing to cast off the Tunisian double stitch. So in my opinion, this stitch is super beginner friendly. You work it up, you can work anything really with it. Blankets, hats, scarves, you name it. So yeah, I'm just going to keep slip stitching until I hit the end of my row. And that last one can be tricky to see, but it's there. And slip stitch. And I'm going to chain one to fasten off. Now this one, Tunisian crochet typically curls up on you kind of bad. But this one in particular, it doesn't curl as much. And as always, if you are ever having trouble with your pattern curling up on you, you can always get T-pins and just kind of block it down on any like self-healing surface. I have a blocking mat that I've been working on top of for the last few tutorials. I kind of like it. Okay, but otherwise you would just kind of put these in even increments around your project to get the shape that you want. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, comment down below letting me know how I did, or what kind of tutorials you would like to see in the future. I am open ears. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell also so you don't miss out on awesome weekly content like this. I post Tunisian crochet tutorials on Tuesdays, 9:30 a.m. CST. Don't forget to check out my other social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat. I know a lot of my comments and stuff has been coming from Reddit. I appreciate y'all. So thank you so much. And until next time, guys, happy making.